So of course, I know this, you have been following Front Page, so you probably already have seen this play out. The same company, same quarter. On the one side, Cognizant is spending $600 million to acquire AI infrastructure. On the other, it is preparing to cut thousands of jobs. Earlier, the number being discussed was around 4,000. Now, when you actually do the math on the $230 to $320 million restructuring cost, it points closer to 12,000 to 15,000 employees, most of them in India. Here's actually what has happened. Cognizant has announced a restructuring program called Project Leap. And instead of telling the market how many people are being laid off, they gave a number, $230 to $320 million in restructuring costs. So what did the market do? It did the math. Average severance in India, roughly 7.5 lakh rupees. Global severance, up to $50,000 per employee. The back calculation from that cost, we ended up landing at 12,000 to 15,000 employees. And here's the real part. Most of them, as I had mentioned earlier, are in India. For decades, IT services ran on a pyramid structure. The large base of freshers, then of course we had layers of middle management, middle level engineers, then we have very small senior layer. Now Cognizant is saying it quite emphatically. They're moving to a broader and shorter pyramid, which means fewer mid-level roles, more automation, more output per employee. Now of course, here's where it actually gets deeper. At the same time, Cognizant is cutting jobs. It's also launching a new AI investment arm. Surprisingly, this is being led by the CFO, not CTO or CIO. Yes, Jatin Dalal is personally steering it, which tells us pretty much everything. This is capital being moved from people to AI. And here comes the front page take. Sadly, India is at the center of this particular change. Cognizant has over 250,000 employees in India, which means when the pyramid compresses, India feels it first and the closest. Clearly, this is a sector-wide signal. We've already seen hiring slowdowns, offer cuts, bench expansions across the industry. So what Cognizant just did is put a number to it. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.